Alrighty traders, hello everyone. This is John Howell here. Listen, I want to do a quick video for you because something I did an amazing session with my clients today. And one thing I was talking to them about with my coaching clients was I was talking to them about my trading career. My trading career in the last 20 years of trading the markets. And I speak to a lot of people on the phone, as you guys know, with my coaching program and stuff like that. And because I'm with my coaching clients every single day, right? I believe having hands-on mentoring and coaching to help you through the down times, help you through the good times, keep your ego in control, keep your emotions under control, right? Letting your profits run. There's a lot of things that goes into, becoming a successful trader. That's the reason why my coaching program is all about hands-on every single day with them. Link in the description if you want to apply for that. But the reason why this video is because the title of this is, I look back through my trading career, right? And I was talking to them about like setbacks and things happening in your life, right? So I was talking to them about that. And early on in my trading career, if you guys don't know, I was doing okay, but then I borrowed money from a friend. This is back 20 years ago, actually 15 years ago or something like that. And my voice is gone because I just did a 2-hour coaching session with my coaching clients today. Anyway, so I did I was talking to them about like when I first started, me borrowing money and end up losing that. Now, long story short, I didn't end up losing it. I actually gave that money to someone else. He lost it, but I was personally responsible for it. So that's a long story short. But I personally became $250,000 in debt and almost facing bankruptcy. So the big thing about that is me going into $250,000 in debt and almost facing bankruptcy. Even though in the moment it was hard because I had to move in my mother and father-in-law, it was down, it was out. And you may be in a situation right now, right? And the reason I'm doing this video because you may be in that situation where you're struggling. You may be going through a bit of a tough time. I spoke to someone just recently, yesterday, who said 4 years ago their account was $500,000 and now today it's $5,000 because they've just been going down the wrong path, the wrong thinking, the wrong approach, right, with the markets. And I was the same as well too, right? When I first became that, like I didn't know what to do. And these people are saying, like I spoke to someone today as well too, and and just really not understanding these markets on a deeper level. But for you guys out there, right, I want to give you guys a bit of a inspirational, okay? Whenever we go through these, especially with your trading career, okay? There's always, I find that through your trading career, you're going to have these turn back moments. And I always find the people who make it in trading, they end up going through these turn back moments or what I call cycles, right? I believe if you haven't at least cycled once, you haven't been trying hard enough. And what I mean by cycle or turn back moments is when you blow up your trading account and you say, trading's not for me, and you quit. That's cycling, right? But I believe when you go through these periods in life, when you go through a cycle, right, or these periods in life, I believe that those who say they go through the cycle, right, but they don't quit, right? They don't quit in their own trading. So what they do is they keep going, right? They keep moving forward and they stay on the path and they learn. I believe I've had many turn back moments in my trading career where I wanted to quit. I wanted to quit and I wanted to give up, right? Especially when I first started trading, $250,000 in debt, and not sure how to actually get ahead in the markets, right? And again, you guys may be there right now. But I found that moment through there, because I dug deep and because I was because I was in a moment where I had to learn like what is the truth about these markets and what do I really need to do to move forward and what is my thinking around these markets and is that true, and I started breaking it down and then I ended up getting a coach, which really helped me. But the big thing for me, right, is that even though that moment of $250,000 in debt, that was the thing for me to get my ass in the gear more. It was getting me to treat trading more seriously, treating it with respect, treating with a lot more discipline, a lot more dedication, a lot more focus, right? And through that $250,000 on the other end became an incredible growth about these markets, understanding these markets and so on and so forth. So I wanted to do this video for you because I find that through life, right? Through life, we go through these turn back moments, don't we? We go through these what's called turn back moments, meaning like you hit with a brick wall, and here's what I've found, right? Here's what I've found. Only a few % of people in life are willing to go through that whole shit, this is not working for me moment, and to keep going. And on the other side of that keep going is new distinctions, new ideas to take you to another level within that arena, such as trading. Unfortunately, a lot of people go through that cycle, and I've cycled many times, right? But if you're going through a challenging time, just understand that the acceptance of this is part of the journey, right? You're going to go through these turn back moments where you think, shit, this is not for me. And you stop and you turn back. You stop and you back away from that, right? So such as trading. Because I didn't quit, and the reason why I didn't quit when I was going through that moment is because I saw my life 10 years from then. I said, okay, if I quit right now, what's my life going to be 10 years from now? Working a laboring job and about to quit and not living my dreams. Or I can keep going, right? I can keep going. And even if it takes me 5 years from now to get, it takes me another 5 years. Heck, let's just say it takes me 10 years to figure this out. Where's my life going to be then? Once I figure this game out, I'm going to be I'm going to be the top 1%. I'm going to have the income. I'm going to have the holiday. I'm going to have the stuff that I really want in life. But if I don't, I'm never going to live my dreams. 20, 30 years from now, I'm going to look back saying, I wish I just stuck at it. Because even though I got that turn back moment, if I just stuck with it and just learnt more and got better, and yes, I got the smack and I went through the cycle, right? The cycle is blowing up your trading account and feeling like this is not for you and you just can't get it, right? And again, this is the reason why it's important to have some sort of coaching there, guys, right? Remember, every top person in your life has some sort of mentor, some sort of coach, right? So if you're trying to do this by yourself, guys, just don't do it by yourself, okay? It's just not worth it. I see so many people, like I spoke to someone today, and for the last 1 year, he's been following a guy who's been telling him to short this bull market. And he's been watching my YouTube videos, and he's like, John, I've learned more from your YouTube videos for free than I have been from and that's actually made me money. There's actually than I did from actually paying for this other course. So it's just because people like me, I've been through the process, and I'm an actual trader myself, guys, right? Like, first and foremost, I'm a trader myself. So I want to encourage you guys, if you're going through that turn back moment this year or the last couple of years where, like, shit, man, I'm losing a lot of money right now. Just understand that this is part of the process. But within that process, the only way for you to move forward is, okay, I really need to become a lot more serious about this trading journey. I need to have a lot more discipline to it, a lot more focus on it, and a lot more respect, because within that journey, guys, it gets tough, right, sometimes. But within that journey, I promise you, on the other side of that, if you can have that, man, I'm getting smacked around here, but let's actually break this down and let's actually start to learn, I promise you, on the other side of that, that's when things start to really work. So me losing $250,000, it was the best thing for my trading, because that was the start of me getting to where I am today. I want to be where I am today to be able to be a successful trader and also a successful coach, coaching people and helping people. And even if you guys on YouTube, right, you guys have seen stuff, even the stuff that I've taught on YouTube over the last month has really, I get so much good feedback about even just the stuff that I teach on YouTube, which is the basic level stuff that I know about trading these markets. So if you're going through a turn back moment, all I say is this: if you quit right now, where's your life going to be 1 year, 5 years from now, 10 years from now? If you're going through a turn back moment, meaning like you just feel like you want to turn back, you want to quit trading and not do this, right? Or if you're cycling and so on and so forth, right? Just think about that through there, because I promise you, on the other side of all this, guys, you really can start to get it. But only a few % of people have that, like, I'm not going to quit, but I'm going to ask for help, because I'm not going to quit, but I'm going to ask for help because I know I'm doing something wrong. And within that, not quitting and asking for help and guidance, that's when you can really start to make some good progress. So if you are on that journey, don't quit. Because ask yourself, if you do quit, right, if you don't quit, get some help so you know what to do. But if you do quit, just say to yourself, where is your life going to be 5 years from now, 10 years from now, 20 years from now, especially with the AI industry, what's happening, where's your life going to be there? And what if it took you another 5 years for you to finally get it? Which you don't, right? My coaching program is 12 months, 1 year, and I promise you I'll get you sorted within 6 months, right? Easy, easy, easy. All right, so anyway, guys, have an amazing day. Speak to you soon.